Welcome to our unboxing video for the SEQURE HT140 Hot Tweezers. This video briefly introduces the uses and advantages of HT140, as well as the contents included in the package. First, you will see a storage box sealed with shrink wrap upon opening the package. A neat box, without rattling sounds from internal items while shaking. There are sponges to fill the space and protect the devices. We will introduce the accessories later. First, let us focus on the star of the video, the HT140 Hot Tweezers. Simple and portable. Only 50 grams. Compact and lightweight. Anti-slip pads on both sides provide a more comfortable grip. 128 by 32 OLED screen seamlessly integrates with the overall design, displaying operational data in multiple languages. Detachable desoldering tips allow it to remove more components and perform various functions. Supports applying power via a USB-C PD3, 1, and a DC barrel jack capable of up to 28 volts. That's all for the basic overview of HT140 Hot Tweezers. You can explore the further details via the dedicated QR code. Later is the introduction of every accessory. A PD65W power adapter is very easy to notice. It supports up to 65 West PD output. Various ports are included to meet international standards. The data cable is made of ultra-soft silicone, offering high temperature resistance, heat protection, and exceptional flexibility. Without breaking easily, it maintains optimal operating temperature even at 500 C. Next is Aston that needs to be installed by yourself. Its balanced weight distribution and rubber base ensure overall stability and slip resistance. Multi-mounting holes allow you to adjust it as you like. Sponge provides basic cleaning capabilities. Assembly is quick and easy, using the included tools. You can scan the QR code to obtain an electronic version of the product manual. This manual not only provides detailed specifications for the HT140 Hot Tweezers, but also includes comprehensive usage instructions. That's all for the full unboxing. Introduction of HT140 Hot Tweezers. Any issues or suggestions while using the product? Just feel free to contact us. We value every piece of feedback and will ensure your next experience is improved.